Yoga for healing. Another message that I'm being guided to use these cards for. I pre-shuffled, and on the bottom of this one we have I am on the right path and divinely guided. And on the bottom of the golden mantras, I am no longer my own worst enemy. I am the love of my life. And this is the bird's eye type view of the message. The reason why you're being called to isolate, because you are on your right path. And if you're being guided to isolate, to cut off those that are at a lower vibration, they may have a sweetheart, but their consciousness is their downfall, or the lack of consciousness. Those that are stuck into the distractions and 3D world, not focused on themselves and their purpose, why they are here, which would distract you from yours. We will shuffle these again a few more times and see what it is that we need to know. It's already feeling like the weekend. It's only it's Tuesday, right? I was even thinking it was maybe Wednesday. It's only Tuesday. Feels good though. I'm loving it. We are all sisters and bro stars. Sisters and bro stars. And reflect the divine in one another. Woo! Boom shakalaka. If this message ain't coming across loud and clear and you getting your final warning that you should be clear of where you stand, showing and proving to the universe and to yourself, and with that building self-confidence and finding your worth and your purpose. And I should say more of your worth. Because you already knew you were bad, itch. We're going to take 3 or 4 cards here. Let's see, how many is this? 1, 2, 3. The beehive. Let's see. That honeycomb, that collective, the teamwork. Each individual in your spot, in your own zone, holding up the elevation, shining so bright. Breathing in the moments of your wins and even your losses. Knowing that it is all a code within you that you must process. Blooming forevermore in your purpose. Collaboration brings more sweetness into my life and into the world, honey. Sweet, sweet. They thought that honey pot was gonna work on you. Child, please. You gaze at the cosmos, you know you are connected. You gaze upon the stars, and you breathe your words of inspiration and what you wish to bring into manifestation. They thought you wore your heart on your sleeve, but it was the universe. The rhythm of my breath directs the rhythm of my life. Where are you focused? Are you breathing in toxicity? Unless you're transmuting, you shouldn't be. And doing all that work of transmuting and alchemization, we don't have to worry with y'all. The ancestors is already dealing with it. It is safe and beautiful to express my sensuality. You don't have to be with a man to be already going into or being in your soft girl era. We are warriors. We've been on our purpose. Now, we can take our hoods off. Because I wear a lot of hoodies. Maybe not even wrap your crown for protection because it's already done. Rocking your new hairstyle. You are the lioness or lion, a true warrior, and it shows upon you. You are always protected, always guided, staying focused. You know, saying, I am courageous, steady, and strong. Living in your purpose, manifesting. All in individuality on our own paths. All having pieces of the big picture working together. Allowing positivity, beautiful things to grow. Now we can sit and see the works. You are no longer your worst enemy. You are the love of your life. Mwah. Give yourself hugs and kisses in the mirror. Look at your body, buck naked. All angles saying how you love it and adore it. Those that think that sound crazy must not like how they look. Because if you're not loving on yourself, you have not started yet. I don't empower my fears. I overcome them. Ashe. What else is it that we need to know? I am my best healer. I am my strongest healer. And I've got this. You've been holding it down. A whole ass vibe. You are blooming, staying focused, meditating, maybe even practicing mantras, salas, chants, prayers, meditation, going within. I am grateful to be the soul to inhabit this magnificent body. What I just tell you. Woo! If you ain't feeling that fire, baby, look at that fire back there. Look at that fire. Where the smoke? I gracefully welcome new avenues of income into my life. Woo! Yes, indeed. I release my grip on the things I cannot control. These messages are coming in full force. You cannot miss them. I am not the only oracle giving them. Ashe. There's a hive. We are connected. So you're getting the messages. Love you to life. Mwah. Peace.